Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the beautiful new Gerber Daisy stamp and die set. This stamp is a beautiful red rubber stamp, so when you stamp it out, you're going to get all the detail and all of the flowers and the leaves. The stamped image measures 5.5 by 2.5. And I did want to take a moment here and stamp it out for you just so you can see how much detail there is in this stamp. Here it is all stamped out so you can see all the detail that's in that image. Now about the die. It is a border die, and when you look at the die, the cutting blade is very close to the bottom edge. This particular die was designed to leave a 1/8 inch border above the stamped image. So when you line the die up, you don't want to have it bumped up right up against that stamped image. You do want to scooch it up about 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit more, and then hold it in place with some low tack tape and then run it through your die cutting machine. So I ran that through so you could see what I mean by having just a little bit of a border above it. Now, here are the samples that I have. This one I did not use the coordinating die, but I did stamp the image at an angle, and I used Zig clean color brush pens to color that in. The next one is very simple. Again, I didn't use the border because I just wanted to color this up with my Copic markers. And then my final sample, I did use the die to cut the border, and I did some embossing with silver embossing powder and did very simple coloring. For more information on the products used, I'll have those linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.